Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So I finished a Valentine's Day journal. I wanted to do a flip through. And there's the beading for it. So let's get started with the inside. We'll work our way back out. So the inside, I did age it. Distress, I guess, aged. And I have a glassine bag with a tag, and I just made some little, these cute little tags. You'll see a lot of tags. I have a tag maker. I'm just having a lot of fun with it, so a lot of those. And then I did put 2 little envelopes. They open up and I have some Project Life inserted, and there is also a top tuck. Journaling cards. Oh, there's 2 in there. There we go. Stained tracing paper, writing paper, and a postcard that is clipped in. And I got this idea from Holly. Oh, I don't want to say her last name wrong. But she showed a flip book she did with the clip and a charm attached to it. So I said, oh, I need to borrow your idea. And that's what I did. That was an excellent idea. We'll get that clip back on first. Okay. Nice journaling card there. Here I have a band, a belly band, or with a card and envelope attached under this very, very cute paper clip. A vertical band, that's the words I was looking for. I really like this idea. It is a bag and it's attached to the signature, where you know the signature is, and look how wide it opens up for pictures, or you know, you can put a little notepad in there, or mementos, letters. I like that a lot. I like having that wide space to do something like that. And then I did just clip this in. Oops. Here is the middle. I just clipped that in because I have a bag of goodies in here. And just trying to keep it from not getting wrinkled. So there's the middle of the first signature. There's the bag. And, I don't want to say envelope, but you know, it's a top. Can't even think of the word. But and then it's also on this side as well. Opening. Here this flips out. And again, I made some more tags. Lots of them. So you can just write a little something on there and tuck it away. Or use them if you want. A tag. And without taking everything else, I just have another tag. And I have one of those vouchers for breakfast in bed. And it's being held on by a paper clip. And over here, a journaling card. This is actually a bag that I just clipped on with a pink clothespin. I like how it looks on this page, and I really like how it looks over here. Very nice, but it doesn't have to stay there. It's very, very movable, very, very usable. You could use it and give it to somebody. Again, some writing paper, graph paper. Little journaling card there with a tuck spot. Oops, that's actually clipped in with the paper clip here. Tag. And I just put one of those little sentiments, note to self. And over here I just clipped a journaling card to it. And you can see the heart side of the paper clip. Second signature begins. Starts with the pocket. Journaling cards, writing, a bag with a journaling card in it. Here, there's some more of those tags I tucked in here on the side with the pocket, and then this opens up to write on. Over here, another bag with a journaling card in it. And then this has a tuck up here. This is an envelope you'll see on the other side, but I did make a tuck spot on that side of it. It's pretty wide. So you can, put something larger there. This actually flips out, and it's just a piece of writing paper, and then you can write underneath there as well. Some baking paper, wax paper, I think it's parchment paper. And you can see there I slightly embossed it. I love that. This feels so good on the hands, on the fingertips. Middle of the second signature, there is a heart charm there. And this can actually just be cut out if, not everyone's thing. I just knotted it in there. Actually could just be all knotted, and then but the whole string could be cut out. The other side of the parchment with the light embossing. I hope you can see that. It's very pretty how that turned out. A belly band with a nice glittery journal card. But it's not the glitter that comes off. It stays on. That's the kind of glitter I like, the one that doesn't come off. So I just wrapped it over, made a little tuck spot with a journaling card. Again, another bag with some journaling cards in there. And this flips open and you can write, and then flip it shut. Oh, I know what I did. I put some tags in there. You know what? I think I'll save these and put them back up front where that above those envelopes. I'll show you when I'm done. Now this was from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. And oh my gosh, I fell in love with the idea when she did it. So mine's maybe just a tad off of what she did. So there's your writing paper. And then she had the pocket over here. So I did the pocket and I just did more tags. But how pretty is that? So thank you, Kat. Beautiful. Love how that came out. And then it's just on a band. That's probably my favorite part of the journal, is that. Nice way to, I think I might do some of those for Valentine's Day friend mail, or just friend mail in general. Very nice. Library card. And again, the tags. I have some tags up there. All right, so what I was going to do is take these tags here and slip them up here. So whoever is the recipient of this journal knows that, hey, there is a pocket there. And I have 2, 3 there. We'll put that one back. Well, I'll put it in the bag. Ta-da! So they know, hey, there's a pocket there, but they can take it out and whatever. Okay, so that was the inside. I did do my eyelet and my book corners, and then here's the back. So I aged the inside cover and the outside cover and the spine. I love how the spine turned out. I love how the whole book turned out, really, but that's probably my favorite on the outside, and then that little thing on the inside. A little just ribbon there, and then here is the charm dangle. You got a little heart there, and you got some freshwater pearls on that one with a little rose and a heart dangle, and a rose, and just prettiness, Goes well with the colors. And this one here is purple. Sure. Anyways, that's what it looks like. And then you just take the jump ring and fasten it to the hitch post as such. And there you go. That's what it looks like on the inside. That, and look at that little heart charm hanging out. Alright, that is my Valentine's Day journal. And I'm moving on to the next one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.